Take life one step at a time with the Kodak Step Touch digital camera and photo printer. It's a photo camera, video camera, editing suite, and a printer all in one package. This is going to be a how-to video on anything and everything this incredible device can do. The first thing I want to talk about is the packaging of this device. Its sleek design makes it a perfect gift for family, friends, and coworkers alike. It comes in both white and black variants. Pop open the top and remove the camera and any cardboard attached to it. Place your camera to the side. Below, you will find a box containing all of your accessories. First up is a USB cable to charge your Step Touch. Second is a lanyard which will make your camera even more portable. Last is a sample package of Kodak Zinc photo paper which we will use to print all of our photographs. On your camera, find the power button on the top right. Press it in and watch your flash pop up. Your touchscreen will turn on and remind you to add paper. Find the latch door to the printer bay. Rip open your Zinc photo paper and remove your blue Zinc Smart Sheet. Place the sheet face down into the paper bay. Now add your Zinc photo paper glossy side up on top. Let's check out our LCD touchscreen. On the top right, we have our settings where you can adjust things like self-timer, resolution, storage, Bluetooth, time, and your date. Below that, we have our zoom function. Try zooming in all the way to 300%. Here's our flash button where we can cycle between on, off, and auto. Here's our extras button. Tap it if you feel like adding some fun features to your shot before you take your photo. We'll talk more about this in a minute. Here's our gallery, which will hold all of our photos once we've taken some. And this is where we decide how we would like to shoot. We can take standard photos, videos, or make collages. To get started, let's try taking a standard photo. For our test, I've set up my favorite football helmet. Line up your camera and your subject. If you would like to fix your focus, hold down on your shutter button halfway and the camera will refocus. Once you're ready, press the shutter in completely. Once you've taken your photo, you'll be brought back to your main menu. Tap the gallery icon to find your image. From here, you'll have the option to send your picture to your phone, print it as it is, delete, or edit. I want to add a cool filter to this image. This looks nice. I also want to put a border around it. Tie-dye is one of my favorites. Now press the print button at the bottom right. In your print preview, you will have the option to add more copies or include a timestamp. Let's tap print. First, your blue calibration sheet will read and be dispensed. Keep this card safe. This is where the magic happens. Watch as your photo is printed right in front of you. With Zinc photo paper, never worry about buying expensive ink cartridges ever again. Let's try another photo. This time, I'm going to add some stickers. Look at that, another masterpiece. You could take your Kodak Step Touch with you anywhere and print all of your favorite events. The Kodak Step Touch can also record full HD video and sound. Never miss a moment with this 1080p quality image. For this, you'll want to add a micro SD card to increase your storage. This card is not included. In Collage Mode, you can combine between 2 and 4 images to create a photo booth style print. Simply snap, find the next image, and snap again. Wow, check this out. To get the most out of your Kodak Step Touch, you'll want to download the Step Touch app. Head to the App Store to install. Open the app and tap the logo in the top right corner. Your device will appear. Tap it and you'll instantly be connected. It's that simple. From here, you'll unlock a wealth of additional frames, filters, stickers, and customization features including color temperature, brightness, crop, and text. You'll even be able to print images taken by your phone's camera or ones sent to you by friends. The Kodak Step Touch is designed for photo-loving adventurers of all ages and skill levels. This device is great for snapping pics at outdoor parties, on vacation, blogging, and more. Add it to your photo making collection today.